Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dean. So today I decided to do an updated what's in my nail kit for 2020. So I've added a few little things. So here we go. I'm still using my Stanley kit or whatever that I got from nail school. It comes with 3 parts: the top, the middle, and the bottom. It comes with a handle. And it's like a standard little tool kit, but it's handy, especially if you're traveling around, going from client to client, or just using it for yourself. Alright, you guys, so let's get started. Here's the first layer. This is my damping dish, I guess, where my clients or myself could put their hands. I'll put warm water in there with a little bit of cuticle removers to soften up the cuticles. And this is my apron to keep away any dust when I'm filing. This is my Koopa brush folder. And here I keep most of my brushes. I'm going to open it up right here. So I have my dotting tools that I got that from nail school. I bought these from, I think, Wish. Their strapping brush, a 3D brush for acrylic or gel, a spatula, 3 gel brushes to do like polygel or gel. The middle one is acrylic, and then the last one is for polygel. And I want to keep doing, well, not keep doing, but I do want to keep doing nail videos, but I also want to add polygel videos. So let me know if you have tried polygel. Here I'm showing you guys my Gel X kits. This is my natural short stiletto, and then my medium coffin. I really love Pray, as you guys know. It's a super easy system to use once you get the hang of it. Here is my another full another kit that have my nail clippers, my nippers, scissors, all that stuff to get ready, to take care of your natural nail for application. Next, it is my luminary little kit. I love this kit. Before the set that I have on, I was using this system, and I literally used it for like 3 months. It's such an awesome system. Let me know if you want to see a video on the whole luminary gel system. Next, here is I'm showing you my polygel. This is the very first polygel kit that I ever bought by Gelish in natural clear. So stay tuned for that. I will be using that in a video. So let me know what designs you want to see with that. Here is my brush to dust off any dust or whatever from the nail or from a table, whatever I need it for. Here is my Acrylic Gel X little lamp that came with the kit. I really don't use it. Here I'm showing you my Pro Band standing bands and fine grit. I usually use this to remove the shine of a natural nail or a polygel, a Pray, or anything like that. Here is one of my favorite parts. It is my Michael Kors makeup bag. I actually don't use it for makeup. I use it to hold my Mani Pro nail drill by Koopa. And on this pouch, I keep the actual drill. So I put it on there. It's nice and protected. And also inside there is a little piece where it holds the handle piece. And then on the other side, this is why I love this bag. I got this bag for Christmas a couple years ago, and I freaking love it. On the other side is supposed to be brushes, but I actually put the handle in there, and it keeps it nice and protected, and it fits perfectly on the side of the kit. So that's how I keep my Mani Passport, Koopa, whatever nail drill protected. Alright, next, this is the final puzzle of the top layer. It is this acrylic tray that I got from, I think, TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and it's perfect because it literally fits all my little knickknacks, and I could pull it out just like this and put it on the table, and it has all the main things that I use to do nails. So we'll start here. I'm just showing you, the little acrylic tray. We'll start from the back and then work our way to the front. So the first thing is that I have are these nail forms by Harmony. These are really good nail forms, you guys. They're super sticky and durable. I really like them. I'll do a video using them one of these days. That is a art tray to put my gels or glitters or whatever. This is the oil, the cuticle oil that I use to finish up my nails. Those, let me show you actually my katana diamond picker upper, my wax pen basically. I really like that, and I got it from Michael's. And then the three, the green, the blue, and the pink little tubes back there are my LED flashlights that I use to cure my prey nails. And then those, I'm showing you some napkins I cut up in about rectangles, and that I use, that's what I use to wipe off my brush from acrylic or anything like that. So now I'm moving over to the other side. On this side, I have some nail files. I have a polygel little slicer to take out the gel, some more files, my nail cutters, some buffers. I have some nail glue. I have another brush that I use for like gels and do ombres and stuff. That's an acrylic brush, and more buffers. And now I'm going to move you down a little bit more, and here is my acetone bottle, and I label everything so I know what everything is. My acetone bottle, and then I have my alcohol on the other side. This is my, I think, luminary matte top coat and Gel-X top coat. I have my Sally Hansen cuticle remover, which I freaking love. I really love this stuff, and it's super affordable. You get it from Sally's. And my Cugio Extra Strength Primer. Really like that stuff. I had that for like the last 2 years, and it's so bomb. And here is my nail bits, you guys. This is it came with the Koopa nail drill. Not all these bits, but actually a lot of the bits did come with them, and I actually purchased my own bits. So I have a whole bunch of bits on here to do different things, to file, to buff, to clean up the cuticles, to remove dead skin, all that stuff. And here, moving back to the other side, here's my unit blue, and this is what I spray to disinfect any tools or the table. That is, what is that? I can't even tell. I think some dry oil. I have alcohol, I have cuticle remover, I have polish remover, and then I have cuticle oil. I have lotion so my clients' hands don't be ashy for the pictures. I have some antiseptic spray, and I spray that on my hands and the clients. On the next row, I have some nail straighteners, not straighteners, you know, to make your nails strong and stuff. Some rich fillers. I have this one's acrylic. I think it's like an acrylic top coat or something like that. Yeah, acrylic top coat, and I put that on top of polish, regular polish. I have my extra bond from Mia's Secret. I also have a little white dampen dish back there. I have Sally Hansen's hardener to make your natural nails a little bit stronger. I have some, I think that's base coat. That is the Luminary Matte Top Coat. That is an OPI gel polish, and that is a SE top coat. Whew, that went by fast. But yeah, you guys, that completes the first layer of everything. Let's move on to the second layer. Alright, you guys, so this is the second layer, which is the yellow part that holds the middle part together. And it lifts up, and I have some more gel brushes over here. I got that from nail school. These little brushes, these flower brushes, are still in the bag from nail school. I really don't use them. And I also will link the original video up on the top. Here are some marble decals. They have some pretty marble decals. I got these from, I think, AliExpress, and they took forever to get to me, but they're cute. I'll probably use them in a future video. And these things that I'm grabbing right here are actually Born Pretty and Nicole Diary stamping plates, and I'll take them out the pack so you guys can see them. So the first one is like Christmas inspired. These two are more like geometric shapes, and then the last one is more like Valentine's hearts and stuff like that. Perfect for Valentine's Day. I do need to get some stamping gel so I can start using them. Here are some wooden sticks that I use to mix gels and glitters and stuff like that, and then a wax pen. So that's the first little left side of the middle section. This part Back here are my holographic pigments. So I have different ones and I label them so I know what they are, because they kind of all look the same. So I got a green one, a purple one, a blue one, and I think this one is supposed to be pink, but I don't know. I don't know what happened with that label. So I'm going to take it out the bag so you can see them. I got these from, I think, AliExpress or Wish, from the Born Pretty store. I really like ordering stuff for Born Pretty. They have really cute stuff. You know, it's just the shipping takes forever. Alright, next I'm going to show you some of my little rhinestones that I'll be putting on nails. I love rhinestones. I love glitter. I just love making nails all girly and stuff. I feel like that's more of my style. So that's the first bag that I got from like Wish for like a whole bag for like $2. Here are some more rhinestones that I used the top one, the gold one, on my last set, and I will link it on the top so you can see it. It's a foil leopard design. Here is my Extend a gel for a prey. On the bottom, that is some little lids for my damping dish. And here are my Presto, a Prey, and Vitro gel paints or glitters. And I really like those. Here are some more little diamonds. And here is my little stamping tool that I used to use, but I don't have any polish, so I gotta buy some. And here I'm just taking out the little diamonds so you guys can see. I have a whole bunch of them. Super cute. Here is some little eyeshadow brushes that I use to rub in the pigment or do ombres. Here are some let me see, some sanding bits. These are the core sanding bits, and also I have some more drill bits back there. And then I'll move you over to the other side so you can see it. Okay, so here is more glitter, you guys. I got this bag of glitters from Michaels. Also, if you're looking for nail supplies, you guys check out like Hobby Lobby and Michaels, because they have a lot of glitters and like little stickers and stuff that you could put in the nails. So I have this whole bag of different glitters that I mix with acrylic or gel. Here are some finger separators. And I have some more little diamonds in this little I don't know, this little tower. Have little different color ones. It's so pretty. I love diamonds, you guys. And then the last thing on this side is more glitter. I think I got these from Michaels as well. I got some hexagon and circle glitters. I haven't used these. I should be using them soon, maybe for a Valentine's Day video. Alright, so for the bottom part, I have my license. That's what I was showing you. This is the core for the power core for my nail drill, just in case it runs out of juice. But you guys, if I charge that thing, it will literally last like over a month, and I don't have to charge it. Here are some nail tips. I use them for either polygel or acrylic. Next is my Koopa stand, and this is where I sit her down so she's not laying on the table. Here is my Mia Secret acrylic powder. It's pretty much full because I'm kind of getting tired of acrylic and the smell. It kind of drives me crazy. Here is my smaller lamp, my curing lamp, and then I have the Mia Secret liquid monomer. I try to stick with the same brand when it comes to acrylic and monomers. Here is my safety goggles. Safety first, ladies and gents. Next, it is my disinfectant bowl. This is where I put my drills and my tools and stuff to get disinfected. And here is my arm stand where my clients rest their hands, and also a furry white piece of cloth to take really cute pictures of my clients' nails. Next, it is my larger lamp, and the lamps I got them from beauty school, so I had them for over 2 years now and they still work. And here is some gloves that I got from the dollar store. It's a pack of 8 for $1. They're pretty good, they do the job, so yeah. And final is a set of nail tips. You can never have enough nail tips, you guys. But anyways, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. See you Sunday.